Morning guys, this is my outfit of the day. Let me show you. The bag. We are going to go around town today and visit cafe shops. There is also this antique warehouse that I really wanted to check out, so we're probably going to do that as well. And yeah, let's go. Kyle is gone for the weekend, so it's just me and you, and we're gonna party. Just kidding. Well, we'll do our own thing. Right now I am going to tailor some of my clothing, and I don't know, we'll see what happens this weekend. This is my first weekend without him in a long time. It feels a little bit weird, but we spend a lot of time together, and I don't know. It will be fun to see what we're gonna do this weekend by myself. I love my alone time, so I'm also breaking out a little bit on my nose here. I'm gonna wear a pimple patch on it, so if you see that, don't mind it, okay? I love these new Chelsea boots, by the way. They're so cute. They're Dr. Martens, and I wear my other Dr. Martens so much that I wanted to get another pair that's a little bit different. Alright, I got my sewing station set up. I cut what I needed to cut to hem these, and now I'm going to pin them so that when I sew them, they're not going to be moving around, just like that. Alright, these are the perfect length now. I was looking through some of the projects that I have in my project box over there. You can see all that junk over there. I promised Kyle that I would make some muscle tees for him, but I never got the chance to. So it's a little bit late because it's fall and it's cold, but I figured he might need some to work out if he wanted to, so I am going to start taking off the sleeves here. What is it? It is almost 6 p.m. Jeez, the time really flew by. I invited Kyle's mom and his aunt to hang out with me for the weekend, and those are my girls. Maybe I'll vlog with them if they're okay with that, so you guys might get to meet them, and we are just going to have a girls' weekend. Kyle's mom and his auntie. Hello. Say hi. Morning guys. Kyle said that he has a surprise for me, and I don't know where we're going, but we're heading there now, and yeah, we'll see. He said it's something that I like. I don't know what I like. So where are we going, babe?
I don't know. Definitely not Six Flags.
I like roller coasters. I like trees. Yep.
Stop trying to guess.
I have a pimple here. And I also filmed my wavy hair routine. Hopefully that video is already up so you guys can watch it. If not, it's coming.
How many minutes is it?
The hair video is 17 minutes long.
Nice.
But I promise, it's all important information, I think. Yeah, I'm loving my hair. It looks pretty healthy, right?
It is.
Look at those leaves falling. Whoa.
Oh, there's alpaca over there.
Oh my gosh! Y'all see that? Look! Ah! Ah! Over here. You excited?
I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, I've been waiting for years for this. Thank you.
No problem.
Hi, buddy.
Alpaca fans? Is that what you call them? And look back.
We're back in the car. Our time with the alpaca is over. That was so much fun.
Well, we bought 3. Mention.
They said if you buy 1 alpaca, you need to buy 3 because they come as a herd. Yeah. We are home. We ordered some food, some Thai food. I hope that didn't drip on me. Shoot. Oh. I had so much fun at the alpaca farm. I've never fed them in person like that before, or like got close to them like that before, so it's kind of like a dream come true. I'm very excited about it, and I don't know when I started this vlog. I feel like I've been vlogging since September, and I've been just getting clips of random things that we do, but I think after I eat, I have to spend the rest of the day cleaning, and so I'm going to eat this first. I'm a little bit exhausted because we woke up extra early today. I really love this. Anyway, I don't remember when I started this vlog. I think it was back in September, and I've been filming random video clips. So I don't even know where this vlog is going. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, and yeah, I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.